Hello everyone, welcome to Elliott Wave Analysis.com YouTube channel. This is Henry. Today is Tuesday, February 2nd. The time is around 3:30 a.m. GMT. Today we are going to look at the chart of silver right here. It's a 60 minutes chart. Now silver has just broken to a new 52-week high, right? And there's a lot of chatter going on about the short squeeze and the Reddit and all those um, uh, news over the weekend. Now, however, we have been anticipating this move long before all this thing happens, right? We've been anticipating the precious metals bullish market, and if you want to watch our long-term view, you can always go back to our seminar. It's a free seminar from last year, right, September, and then we argue about the long-term case for the precious metals as well as picking some of the stocks as well that also all of them do pretty well. Now here what we see here is the rally that started from January 18. Looks impulsive. We can count this 1 2, and then this one looks to be a wave 3 here, very extended, very strong, and so it looks to me still so far it's only a 3 waves. Okay, and can still see one more push higher to finish a 5 waves starting from January 18. Okay, so any pullback therefore now is expected to find support against 24.6. Now the pullback always is going to be always in the sequence of 3 swing. We did already have a 3 swing here, 1 2 3. Now the question is either we finish 4 here and go up, or if we break below this, then that means we are doing a double correction, a double zigzag, and then can open up more downside into a larger 3 swing like this, and then we should be able to find another support here. In case it breaks down, we should be able to find another support and then extend higher again. Okay, so the idea is pretty simple. As long as we continue to stay above this 2468, we should be looking for the upside eventually for a wave 5. Now I think the only question is whether this 4 is completed and we can go up, or we need to go down and correct more, right? Now both are possibles. I mean, we are calling the most aggressive view, but then it looks pretty weak right now, then so I cannot rule out another leg lower, do a double for example. It's very possible, do a double, and then that will give it a target towards around 27.2, right? 27.2 to 26 between 26 and 27.2, and then from there we can again see another support from here that push it to the upside. Okay, so the only way we know whether the correction wave 4 here is finished or not is only after we break above wave 3, and we will know for sure whether the 4 is completed or not. At this point, this is only a speculation that it is completed because the trend is higher and we already did 3 swing, but it looks pretty weak. Like I said, currently looks pretty weak, so wouldn't surprise me. Let's say if it breaks below 4 again, then should open up a little bit more downside before we find stronger support. Then if that's the case, maybe closing this gap here, right? We got a gap here, we can kind of gap, and then from there we can then extend higher afterwards. All right, so that is the update here with silver. As always, if you do want to check our service, feel free. We got a 14 days free trial. The link is provided in the description of the video. I'll see you all again tomorrow. Have a nice day, everyone.